Hello, everybody. Chinatown Night Markets are back. The following is a walking tour of the very first Chinatown Night Market in San Francisco, California, USA. It took place on March 8th, 2024, continuing into the second Friday of the month throughout the rest of the year. It is expected to be continuing into 2025 and years to come. So you can just watch this and locate it and go every second Friday in 2025. So the Chinatown market takes place over 3 blocks of Grant Avenue in San Francisco. Unfortunately, they neither have a website nor an address. So the best way is to Google it as shown here and locate the address. You can also get to the Chinatown Gate on Grant Avenue in San Francisco and walk up to the night market. It's just a block away from the Chinatown Gate. So the night market features a tantalizing array of culinary delights. The night market promises a feast for the senses. They also have a beer garden and other alcoholic beverages throughout the market, as you'll see in this video. Let's go.
Whoa, look at that dragon. I wish I could zoom on that. This is kind of funny. What do we have here? BeChinatown. Looks like the cops here are having a good time too.